in a place called Sødisbakke. It's a place where there are 130 people with disabilities, and we are almost 600 employees. Next year, we are pleased to tell you now that we are hosting the Gentle Teaching International Conference in a town called Aalborg in Jutland, in the north of Jutland. And we hope to see you all. We will make sure that you are welcomed, that you are safe, that you learn something, and not at least that you are entertained. So, we are looking so much forward to see you all.
Well, I was asked if I could talk a little about Denmark. I don't know how many of you have heard about Denmark, but just some fun facts about our little country. Denmark is located in the northern part of Europe. It's a part of Scandinavia. And we are a small country of about 5.5 million people. And Aalborg is the capital of northern Denmark. We have our capital, Copenhagen, on the island of Sjælland, but we are located in the northern part of Denmark. And Denmark is known for quite a few things. We are almost every year in the top 3 of the happiest country in the world. So it's the thing about Canada. Everywhere we have been, there's been nice people, welcoming people, and I can assure you that you will meet happy and nice people in Denmark as well. Yeah. Aalborg is a large city. It's about 220,000 people, and some of the things it's known for is the street art, and I hope you'll come and enjoy all the graffiti all around the city. And it's also known for its brown taverns, it's called in Danish. It's Brune Værtshuse. And it's the old taverns in the city that's been restored and kept as it was. And it's a place where I imagine all of you will have amazing conversations next year. So looking forward to seeing you next year.